Dual-purpose cartridge filters out fine sediment particles and reduces unwanted taste, odor and chlorine from your tap water in a single filter. Fits all 20 inches standard filter housings and can replace any 20 by 2.5 carbon filter cartridge. Economical water filtration solution for use in residential chlorinated water supplies. Excellent polishing filter when used in process or closed-loop streams. 10,000 gallon capacity. Replace every 3 months or when you notice a change in water pressure or quality. Pentair Pentek C-Series cartridges offer an economical solution for all your general-purpose water filtration needs. Constructed of a carbon-impregnated cellulose media, these dual-purpose cartridges filter out fine sediment particles and reduce unwanted taste, odor, and chlorine taste odor from your tap water. External netting provides additional strength and dirt holding capacity. C-Series cartridges are available in a variety of sizes and are nominally rated at 5 microns. These dual-purpose cartridges are well suited for a wide range of residential applications, and make excellent polishing filters when used in process or closed-loop streams. Top reviews from the United States. Thank goodness. I did not realize these were from Pentair, a very trusted name in top-end pool equipment. I bought these on a gamble. We have a whole house filter system on our well. The previous owners of the house left us a couple of quality-looking iSpring 5-micron filters, but when I use them, the water pressure in the house is nearly zero. Pretty much unusable for anything but washing your hands. So I switched to a 20-micron and it worked well, but I've always been uncomfortable wondering is 20-micron was good enough for well water. So on a gamble, I went ahead and ordered this 5-micron filter, hoping it would work better than the ones left with us. Success. Yay! 5 micron and the same water flow as we had with the 20 micron. Thanks for a quality product, Pentair.